Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Traders Corner. This is Vishnu Deepan here. I'm going to present the index analysis for Nifty and Banknifty, and I would like to say about how the market has reacted based on my previous analysis, which I have posted 2 days back. Okay, so I'm so happy to see the way the market reacted, and one could easily pick up huge points, whether it be long call from a demand or else to short from higher levels. Okay, so I'll start with the US market. The main reason for the US market is our market is basically reacting very much to global cues at the moment. So based on the Fed results, like what we could see here is like Dow Jones drop almost 400 points after our market closing. Okay, so this will have a huge impact, of course, tomorrow. As long as this high is not taken out, we could see more bearish grip in our market. So what we see here is based on a weekly time frame. Excuse me. So what we see here is at the moment it's on higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and it broke the previous low. It is towards downtrend again, and again it's a minor rejection from here, and the moment market is here. So this is where the exactly the demand zone is. Until unless market is not entering into this zone, it won't go up very easily. So market need to come to this level for any bullish move further. So this is what happening in the US market. Okay, so let's wait for the price to come to this area and let's see how does the market reacts to this level, and based on this only like our market or the global market is going to react. Since it's a huge area, it will accumulate and then only it will go further, and if it is failed to hold this level, then more chances of fall will come. Okay, so let's move into Bank Nifty and let's see how it performed in the last week. Okay, if you see, this is the levels which I have given on 10th October for the 11th October market. Okay, so what I have mentioned here, unless market breaks over this level, then only you can see any further bullish move. And if it is coming to this level and if you get any strong bounce from this area, then only market can go up. So what has happened on October 11th? Market opened. Okay, so market opened exactly in the supply area and it fall, and between these two levels it is a pure sideways market. So it was coming to this again, this is supply. So what I said, like if the price is near supply and if you get a clear rejection from the supply zone, the ultimate target will be the demand zone. So based on this, market open here, it's a clear evening star over this. So this is the bearish, followed by that this is the confirmation candle for this evening star, and one could have initiated trade when the price has gone either below this or below this. Okay, so if one could have gone an entry from here 38,900 to 38,700, one could have got easily 700 200 points, sorry. So again what I mentioned here, after the price comes to this area and if we get a solid bearish candle breaking this zone, then only market can go further down. That's what I mentioned here. If not, this is a strong, anyway this is a demand zone. So what one has to do, we need to see the rejection from this area. The previous day was a complete downward trend, and the next day when it opened, there was a gap up and it came to the zone. What has formed? This is a hammer candle. So it is a sign of clear rejection from the lower level. So, and next forms the green candle, again bullish candle, which is nothing but the confirmation candle for the hammer. So what one has to do, one has to, whenever the price breaks the high of the confirmation candle, one can go for an entry. Okay, but the ideal way to go for an entry is these two gave a confirmation for the buy. So conservative traders, one should have gone for an entry. Just plot a fib for this high to low, and what we see here, market exactly rejected from 0.618 levels. So one could have gone for an entry at this point, keeping day low as stop loss. Okay. So if one might have gone for an entry over here, 38,700, what it has done, it has gone all the way to the supply, which is marked in the orange color previously. Okay. This is where the market rejected. So this is our supply zone. Okay. So if one would have entered here, 38,700 to all the way 39,100, which is nothing but 400 points easily one could have got, or it depends upon individual, like how many points they want actually. So 38,700 to 39,100, roughly 400 points. So easily one could have grabbed 400 points. Okay. So this is how market reacted, and again market did not breach this level, or it did not breach the lower point. So what I have mentioned here, if we get two consecutive red candles breaking this zone, stronger red candles, one can go for a sell entry. So again market came here, today's opening, it market opened here, being an expiry day, it opened here, this was a pure supply. Okay, market gap down, which means it's a clear sign of rejection on top. So what one could have done, keeping this low as an entry point, if one could have gone for entry, it might have gone here all the way, like you can say 38,900 to 38,700, 200 points approximately, and being an option player, one could have got easily 100 points. And same as I said here, this is the first bearish candle entering into the demand zone. This is the rejection from bottom, and what has happened, this is second bearish. So two consecutive, which is a sign of bearishness. So what has happened here? One could have gone for entry if they might have gone here 38,500 to 38,448. Approximately only 60 points it has given. And what is the timing? It is almost 11:45, and this is an expiry day where market has given already. One second, please. Market has given already how many points? Sorry. Okay, market has given almost 467 points, and it's a one-way trend actually. Okay, so it is broken, and market failed to hold this level. It's because of the expiry already starting from top 39,000 to 38,400, almost 600 points it has given. Due to expiry, what one should have done, by breaking this demand zone, it is confirmed that it is a downtrend. Okay, so as a logic rule, we have only first candle it broke below the low, but there is no confirmation, means it rejected back. So this is the first candle. Okay, this is the first candle which broke the demand zone, and this is the second one. So the entry will trigger only below this, but the second candle it did not cross below, but it rejected, it formed a tweezer bottom and it went all the way. But if you see, by making this, breaking the demand zone, this becomes a supply. and from here it is the place where it has broke the previous levels. So this will become a breaker bar or flip whatsoever it can be. Okay, so these are the supply. It broke the demand. So this is the origin from where the market broken the demand. It went here. Part of an expiry move, it gave this much movement, and again it went all the way here. This is the major sell happened from top. So this is another supply from all the way from here to here. It might have given a decent hero zero call on this day. Okay, so these are the levels, how it worked based on my previous analysis. And here I have marked this is already a mitigated zone because this was the demand zone form. First time tested, second time tested, third time broken. So when it touched the first one, it's already mitigated block. So there is a high chance for here to break the demand. But due to US market news, it was a gap up and moved all the way up. But again, when it came here today for the next time, it broken. And again, what we could see here is like I will remove this level at the moment. What we have seen, I have marked this is a weaker demand zone. So tomorrow, what can happen? Okay, I'll remove the levels and we'll go for the new levels. Okay, since market, okay, this will become a weaker supply at the moment. Mitigated, I'll mark it. So what can happen tomorrow from here? This one also. We have a multiple supply here. And again, as I marked here on top, the supply remains intact because it has not been tested. So what we see here is what I have given in the past. So if today's fall in the US market, if it affects tomorrow and if it is a gap down tomorrow, price if it comes to this area and if it is taking a support, and you need to see the type of candle which is forming here, and if it is a green candle and followed by if you get one more green, then you can go for a minor buy side, but more chances will be market will break this and will come to this level. Unless market is coming to this level, we cannot expect a upward move. Each and every rise will get sold off. And by any chance, if it is not rejected from here and all the way, if it breaks, okay, one candle, and you get a second call, you can, whenever the price goes below this one, you can go for a put call, keeping the first target as 37,900 and followed by 37,700. This can be a positional one. And again, market if it breaks this level with strong green candle, then only you can go for a call option or a long trade. If you don't get these two, market will be pure sell on rise. There are various levels of sell at the moment in Bank Nifty. So kindly have a look of these levels. Okay. So tomorrow, let's see overnight position of Nifty and Bank Nifty. So if we are opening at 38,200, 38,294 levels and we get a bounce, you can aim for a target of 38,596 or else it is 38,600. Or if this level doesn't hold, market can go all the way to 37,967 or 952, following by that 37,717. Okay, so this is the levels for Bank Nifty. Let's move into Bank Nifty. Sorry, Nifty. Okay, see, I was very much happy and I was wondering by the way market reacted. So I gave this level for 11th. Market opened in supply exactly. It came to the demand zone. It did not hold first candle, and again the second candle breaking this level and this level it came. So again bearishness came in here. Okay, so it happened at the end of the day. Actually, it came around 2:45. So any trade, it is not advisable actually. Again, what has happened? The next day market opened, and due to US market news, ultimately market it bounced. It came to the supply, rejected from there. It came down. This was the gap up area from the previous day. So this acts as a demand. From the demand, it went all the way to the supply because this is the level where it broke this level and came. Again, it stopped here. And again, on this expiry day when it opened, since it opened from here, it was a gap down, which is pure sign of bearishness from the supply. So one could have initiated their trade following the second candle, second 15 minutes candle from here after getting the confirmation. Always go with two candle confirmation. Once price broke this range, if you might have gone, the target was from 17,050 to 16,955. Okay, depends upon individual. Like if they have high conviction, they should have shorted here only from the opening candle 15 minutes low. Once it is broken, if they might have initiated 1773 to 16,958. So this was a little bit of accumulation or distribution kind of area because 2 days market traveled in the same area. And I have mentioned here in this video, I mean in this level, if it is going up and if we get a rejection from here, market should test this level. But as what has happened, it didn't cross this one. It tested from here. It came all the way and the target was missed by 46 points. Okay. So now this is a kind of liquidity, which means it's stop loss. Okay. Now people who are kept their stop loss from last 2 days thinking market will go up from this level, their stop loss will be here. What will happen tomorrow? It will be taken out if there is a gap down or any bearish market. Okay. So at the moment, I'll go for the levels for tomorrow. This is a double top. So from my view, if market comes to this level, there is a high chance for to get sell off from this level. There's a huge gap down, so the high probability of sell off will come from this level. So kindly have a look of this level. Even if market doesn't react this, for sure it will react from here. If you don't believe me, you can just watch out for the levels. Because to say in a normal layman's or trader's view, this is a double top actually, and whomever has gone considering this is a trend reversal, their stop loss will be above this. So what big players or FAS will do, they want to take this stop loss. So what they will do, this is the supply which is available above this stop loss area double top. So market will come to this area and by chance if the market doesn't comes down level down, if it doesn't come down, if it is going up all the way, there is a high probability. Okay, this is a double bottom. If it is breaking up, it should go. By chance, if it breaks, it will go all the way here. They'll do some drama, and if it doesn't break this low tomorrow, market will come here and it will sell off all the way. It can come to the lower levels also. So what I kept here, so these levels are still intact. So this will be our major one. Same as I mentioned here, this plays an important role. If it comes here, from here only we can expect a bounce. And if it doesn't go up, if it is falling, and if you are getting a rejection from here, then we'll go up all the way. Okay. So you can see all my videos. I did not come up with the video yesterday and day before yesterday because the analysis which I have done on 10th October, it was still valid and it is still holding. So that is the reason like I did not come up. And if there is any violation or if any break or of these zones, then I will come up with a video. Okay. Okay, guys. So kindly have a look. This will become a strong demand zone because market has gapped up hugely from this area. So there is a high probability if there is a gap down, market will bounce all the way here. And only if we get a green candle, two green candle, then you can expect for the market to go to 17,300 levels. If not, if there is a rejection here, again rejection here, will come again all the way down. So at the moment, from my personal view, be market is on a bearish trip. Okay, so kindly have a look of these levels. So important levels for tomorrow: 16,907, 17,129. If any of these two ranges breaks, then only we can see. If 17,129 is broken strongly with 15 minutes candle or at least two 5 minutes candle, then you can expect 17,370. If tomorrow's level of 16,907 is broken, then only you can expect further fall. But what I would expect based on this formation, because of this gap up, this will react as a strong demand zone. So this green setup should happen. So market will bounce from here, it will go all the way here. Take these stop loss. So reject from here, fall. So when the market comes to this area, this will be tested already here before going up. So after that, it will break this level. This is a mitigated one, and there is a high probability for the market to come to this levels. Okay, guys. So these are the important levels and these are the updates. So kindly have a look. Hope you guys will be helpful based on my analysis. Kindly do like and subscribe my YouTube channel so that I can come up with more videos and you will be updated whenever a new video comes. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.